Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you are wanting to control an outlet. Maybe it's up high and it's a pain to reach and it's always on, and you want to just control it with a switch, but you don't want to hire an electrician. I've got the perfect product for you. So this was sent over by a company called DEWENWILS. It's going to come in this little box right here, and it is an outlet that is switched. This thing is really cool. It's going to come obviously with a remote or a user manual here. We're covering all the features in the video. Once you open it, this is what it looks like. You get a single outlet here and then the single switch. So first off, the outlet setup, obviously it's going to have the plug in the back. This thing does have a ground, and then you're going to have the single switch on the front. Now, to give you an idea of the size of this thing, it is about 2 1/4 inches wide. It's about 3 inches tall, and it's about 1 1/4 inches in depth. There is a little program switch on the side. That's what you're going to hold down to program it if you need to program it. Now, this thing can be utilized with multiple devices. So you can use the single switch and have it control multiple plug outlets if you wish, or vice versa. You can have basically this single plug and then hooked up to like 2 switches if you need like a 3-way switch setup. It's up to you on how you want to configure that. Just need to get more of these independently, but this comes as a set. Now, as far as the switch itself, as you can see, it is also nice and compact and thin. So this is going to be about 4.5 inches in length, about 2 3/4 inches wide, and it is only a 1/2 inch in thickness. Now, it has a nice smooth plate on the back. Just simply slide that down. This is the mounting plate, so you can mount this anywhere on a wall. It does include a package of the hardware, or if you don't want to make it more permanent, you can use obviously kind of like the 3M tape that you can peel off. It's basically however you want to utilize it. Now, it does take a battery. It's a 23A battery in the back. You just simply remove the cover there. It does include that battery. To activate this thing, just make sure you pull that little plastic tab out so that way it's activated and turned on, and then you are good to go to start utilizing this. But like I said, it works very, very well. Now this thing, the outlet itself is rated for up to 1,200 watts max. So that's kind of the max wattage that you can plug in here, and it is rated for 200 or 120 volts as far as the setup. Now this is a closed range. You're not hooking this up to your Wi-Fi system. It's not Bluetooth or anything like that. It's a closed Wi-Fi range, and it's good for up to about 100 feet in an open room. So this is on one side of the room. As long as the switch is within 100 feet, you're going to be good as far as the two talking to each other. But if you are looking for a simple way to control any of the various devices out there, this is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.